Kali ini adalah hari kedua dan kita di sini lagi sarapan. Ini aku lagi nge-toast si breadnya. Teman-teman aku udah di sana lagi sarapan. So stay tune. Right now we are eating, guys, with Wylet.
Traine is basically a food name in Indonesia.
You always make me hungry, guys.
You need to try it, it's really good. I tried it once and it was so good.
Guys, di sini aku lagi di depan kamar dan kita mau ke American Consul Office. Di sini aku lagi nungguin temen aku dan ini pemandangan dari sini bagus banget, guys. Kalian harus lihat. Let's go! Yay! Are you excited? Yo, this is day 2, guys. This is day 2. Yeah. Day 1 is kind of like, yeah, chill. Yeah. So stay tuned. Up right here. So she's alumni of YES program like exactly last year, and she came back for Wylet this year. She's so cool, guys. Oh my god.
No, it's okay.
Oh my gosh, oh my
She's
gosh.
so cool, can attend Wylet. I'm so excited to meet you.
Yeah, me
So
too.
excited for Wylet this year.
Yay! You ready for your presentation?
Not really. I haven't practiced, but finger crossed.
You got it, you got it.
Thank you.
You got it. So, yeah.
Wylet 2024, how do you feel?
Oh, I feel so good. Oh, I feel so good. Oh, I feel so good. I feel so good.
Oh, I feel so. Oh, I feel so. Oh, I feel so.
Good. I feel so good. Oh, I feel so good. Yeah.
I bought it. This is the worst noodle.
Hi, this is Adam from West Africa. Say hi in your language.
I'm Sokoma.
Oh, I'm Sakoma.
Yes.
Wait, girl, go girl, go girl. Right here. Wow, Washington DC. She's from Idaho. And how about the potato? Like, do you eat a lot of potato there? Yeah, I have friends that she is from there. And then she said that we eat a lot of potato. Even we have like a monument of potato. That's really cool though. Potato!
It's as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky. Everybody get ready.
Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got beautiful feelings. Everything is going my way. Well, there is a lot of different students. Like there are shy students, there are people that showing up and like this one. But I think the thing that we can encourage students or make them comfortable is like more focused with students that we don't really understand. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yes, what it is.
To draw a line here.
What we're gonna do. Alright, so on the plus side, I want you to think of positive future.
Oh, you're gonna put the Venice flag. Do you want to smile?
Here.
Hey.
Hi. We are going to White House. Very excited. Excited. White House. White House. White House.
All of them. One of the very interesting things is that I don't know if you've ever heard of the Bastille or Bastille Day in France, but it was a time when they revolted.
Wow, it's a lot of people here in the White House. It's so like a dream. I used to like put a picture of White House in my room, and now I can see it directly. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bye, White House. So next we're going to get lunch. So see ya. We thought that we were gonna eat lunch, but we're going back to our office. We're going back. I thought we're eating lunch. Number 5. What was needed for America to become a strong country? Next session is the Wylet training programs and the session will be offered by Maria and Wylet. And before we start, there are many hints in this first slide of presentation about here in the back with Ukan. Hi Ukan. Hi. So she's from Kazakhstan. So Kazakhstan. Okay. Kyrgyzstan. Oh my God. Anyway, her name is Ukan, and Bukan means no in Indonesia. So that's the reason. That's how I remember her name, like Ukan. Ukan. You raised her name.
Got her card, so we will follow her on her YouTube channel. And Ariella, we have the same, so I just have to shade some kind of word in my language to remember a name.
Yeah, that's interesting. See ya. Where's the cherry blossom? Where's the cherry blossom?
That's pretty much it what I want to tell you now. As we get a little closer,
Thank you, Taylor. Thank you. Looking at the cherry blossom. Okay, let's take a picture there. Wow. There is like Hispanic or something like dancing over there. See? Sorry.
One, two, three, four, come on.
So, how was your feeling today? I feel tired of educated. Say hi.
I'm Sogoma Kobe Chukodi. I'm Adam Sissoko and I'm from Mali.
Γεια σε όλους, το όνομα μου είναι Θένια και είμαι από την Ελλάδα.
Здраво, јас сум Теона, јас сум from Macedonia.
With Adam and Tiona. Strabo. Guys, look at there is cherry blossom there.
Jefferson Memorial.
Do something.
Yeah, I started kinder. I mean, yeah, we started kinder.
Of water. Oh, that's actually
Going back to the bus.
yeah. So, but she's okay.
We are having a dinner. It was so good. We're in a garage here. That is gulai.